Hey everybody, this is Kit Holmes. It is Transformation Tuesday time. It is Tuesday, May 18th, I think. I say this every week. It's crazy. And welcome to Transformation Tuesday. I want to brag on myself a little bit today. Just want to share with you, I graduate from ministerial school this coming Friday, May 21st. And all of the exams and the classes and the years of study and my own transformation, my own personal transformation, my own spiritual transformation, is this culmination called graduation. And there's a couple of logistical, technical pieces to that. I officially graduate Friday, and then I get to do my oral panels in September, early September. And at that time, you can finally call me Rev. That's still sinking in. And this is what I want to talk about today is when we make significant changes, when we've been working towards something. It's time for a lot of people to graduate right now from master's programs, from high school programs, from college, junior colleges, whatever it is. And there is a process, right? And chunks of learning that we get along the way, and we build upon what we've learned before, and we build and we build and we build upon. And it's this, at least for me anyway, this feeling of this kind of just this whole focus and energy and attention while trying to balance the rest of day-to-day life in relationship, in marriage and job and friends and all those things. And all of that is so important. And so I'll share honestly with you today, there's a part of me that when all is said and done, I'm not going to know what to do with myself. I know that I will find plenty. One of those will be getting back to songwriting. But there's this energetic thing happening, and it's that place of celebration on completion. There's a sense of pride, tremendous pride, which is still not quite sunk in yet. That place where you go, wow, I did this thing. I really did this thing. I've had glimmers of it, and it feels marvelous. And at the same time, there's this next level of being in the world, especially as a minister. This process has been, as I said, transformational for me, personally and spiritually. And what I know is that there are places that I've gotten to that I never expected to, emotionally and mentally and even physically sometimes. And it's all part of that process. So on the one hand, as we do these things, as we go through these steps, as we lean into our growth in our spiritual practice, we have those moments of recognizing there's some grief. Actually, there's a lot of grief for letting go of the old way of being. And there's this celebration and embrace of what's coming new. And there's also this sense of anxiety. Yeah, there's a little bit of that because I'm stepping into a new place. We all step into those new places. And the thing is, we got to remember that stepping in by choice is going to shake up our nervous system a bit. I can tell you that mine has been shaken, and my wife can tell you as much, and close friends, same thing. I've been shaken on a regular basis for the last several years. So I share this with you today just as acknowledging, and this is also an important part of the process, is when we are making changes in our lives, and we're doing it consciously, that we stop along the way to give ourselves a little pat on the back for leaning in, for moving through the discomfort, and keep leaning in, all the while knowing we're aiming towards something greater. And that greater is our greater expression of spirit in the world. So lean in. Congratulations to you as well for doing so. And if you're still in the middle of some process, know that there is a place, a mile marker, as it were, that you can recognize and you can celebrate along the way. So I just know that I love you dearly. I look forward to seeing you next week. If you care to join into the ceremony of graduation, it is this Friday, May 21st, 7 p.m. Mountain Time, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to put the link in here for this post. My words are still not coming out quite well. And if you would please share any of your love offerings and donations with Unity of Wimberley. And that email address, or excuse me, that website is Unity of Wimberley, and that's Ley, unityofwimberley.com. And there are many ways that you can share your love, show your love. And if you're moved and motivated to support me in my graduation, please send your donations to Unity of Wimberley. I would be most grateful for that. So take care of yourselves. I will see you next week, and you'll probably see a few pictures with the mortarboard and whatnot going on. So have a wonderful weekend. I love you dearly. See you next week.